Hi, Double D. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong at suporta niyo sa amin ni Yorme at ng Yorme Streets. Dito lang kami palagi sa gilid.
Thank you po.
Manila, Mayor Isko Moreno.
我们要跟市长报告，万年寺在马尼拉是非常优良的记录。
I want to report to Mayor Isko that we have a very good record in Manila.
我们今天很感谢市长百忙之中特别来参与，谢谢市长。
Thank you very much, Mayor, for coming despite your such busy schedule.
Thank you.
To His Excellency, Ambassador from Sri Lanka, Ambassador Dr. Janaka Tapaher, to Mr. Chu Min Kang, representative of the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in the Philippines. To Venerable Yung Guang, and to other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, coming from Manila and other part of the country and around the world. Good morning. I don't want to ayoko na agawan yung eksena sa inyo, but I was tasked to welcome you to Manila. But at the same time, I was asked by one of our monks to say a piece of words of encouragement, and I think it's more than words of encouragement. I think a prayer and wish. I should be ready to today. The arrival of the relic and transmission of Fu Guangsang Founding Master, Venerable Master Sing Yun, here in Manila, can be made a symbol of us today living to be man for others. And let the message and teaching in the way of life for our people continue to be compassionate, empathy, and understanding one another. Yun yung wish ko. And I think yun din ang wish ng ating pamunuan. Second, I pray that there will be long-lasting peace in the world. Of all material things that we needed, dealing with daily lives, I think more than that, good health and peace in our community. And let be assured, as your mayor, in my own little way, at kasama ang aking mga kapwa kawani ng pamahalang lungsod, pipilitin natin laging maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay dito sa lungsod ng Maynila. Again, we're very honored and humbled the presence of the relic of our founding master. And to all of you here, came all the way from other countries, cities, different parts of the Philippines. Again, I would like to end this with welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Manila. Maraming salamat.
非常欢迎大家从菲律宾各地方还有世界各地的人来到菲律宾参加我们的0.5分灯。那我做市长呢，只有一个祈愿，跟大师一样，是有我们的全世界和平。那我当市长会在我所有的能力下，保持我们马尼拉市平安。谢谢大家。
感谢市长的致辞与参与。
Thank you very much, Mayor Isko Moreno.
介绍贵宾，今天与会贵宾众多。首先介绍驻菲律宾台北经济文化办事处周明干大使贤伉俪。
We are honored to have many distinguished guests with us today, and allow us to introduce first Mr. Zhou Mingkan and his wife, Ms. Tai Yoshan, representative of Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in the Philippines.
马尼拉市市长 Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso。
Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso, the mayor of the city of Manila.
佛光山菲律宾区总住持永光法师。
Venerable Yung Wang, head abbess of Fogongshan, Philippines.
佛光山菲律宾万年寺住持妙净法师。
Venerable Miao Jing, the abbess of Fogongshan Mabuhay Temple.
海义寺住持崇城姑暨常驻代表。
Sister Maria, the head of Haiyan Temple.
光明大学校长陈林迈杰博士。
Dr. Michael Lim Tan, the president of Philippine Guangming College.
佛光山万年寺信徒总代表蔡辉煌、施珍珍贤伉俪。
Mr. and Mrs. David and Helena Choi, the lay representative of Fogongshan Mabuhay Temple.
Ayun.
May
Doon
picture
sa
kayo
ano,
ng kapatid.
Villegas. Sa Villegas sa... Ano, pakita mo sa kanya.